Hi guys, today I will show you how to create bootable USB drive. First of all, you need to open your favorite browser. Then go to Google. Then go to Google and you need to search RUFUS. Rufus. Rufus is the free open source portable application for Microsoft Windows that can be used to format and create bootable USB flash drive or live USBs. Then you can see in Google first link https://rufus.ie Rufus create bootable USB drive easy way. Then click this link. Site Rufus website. Scroll down, you can see separate section for download. In separate section latest update available. You need to download this Rufus 3.21 very small size of file 1.3 MB. You need to download it. Then download it. You can see download it. After downloading, you can see Rufus exe file. You need to click and open it. Click it. Click yes. Now I close down my other windows. Now you can see Rufus pop up. Then you need to install your USB drive into your laptop or desktop computer. Now I will install my USB drive. Now you can see in device here my USB pen drive name. You can see Sanidu 2 TB pen drive. Now you need to download Windows 11 iOS file. First of all, you go to Google and just search Windows 10, Windows 11 ISO. Then search. When you search and Microsoft official site, directly download link shown. Then click this link. Microsoft allow to download iOS file without any charge, free of charge. When you scroll down the page, you can choose Windows 11 this image ISO 60 for device, select download. Then you select Windows 11 multi edition iOS 460 for devices and download. It take couple of time. Then you need to confirm. When you click confirm, you need to choose which language you. I like to English language, English international, and confirm. Validating your request. You can see pop-up download link, directly download link, download Windows Phone, 64-bit download. You can see around 5.2 GB. I already download it. As a result, I can cancel this download and move into fully download version already. Cancel. Guys, this is my already download Windows 11 bootable iOS file. Now I will show you how to create bootable Windows USB from Rufus. Then you go to this pop-up. In this pop-up you can see port selection, DISO iOS image. Please select. You need to select DISO iOS image. Then you select download the select version. You select version. Now you can pop up search in Windows. You go your location. I already saved in this desktop. In desktop you can see this file Windows 11 2022 download. Then I click this. Remember, when you select iOS image file, you need to select this one, all files. When all files select, all the file available in Rufus you can see. Then click Windows 11 open. You can see boot selection, Windows 11 iOS, partition scheme GPT, target system UEFI. Then volume label. In volume label you can customize whichever the name you prefer to. I am preferred to rename it Windows 11 bootable USB and file system large FAT32 default, 32 kilobyte default, and all other settings are correct. Then click start. Then click OK. Warning. There is a warning. All data on device, my USB drive will be destroyed. To continue this operation, click OK. Remember, when you have important data before creating bootable drive, you need to backup. You can't retake this data when you starting bootable process. Then I already backup and blank USB drive I am plugged into for this. I am no issue with that. Then I click OK. It will starting. It take couple of time. First of all, you can see formatting. We'll see. Now you can see finalizing copying iOS file in Rufus. I was skip some part. It take some couple of minutes. Finalizing. Now you can show how it create. Then you need to close. I will show you how to create it. This PC, and you can see Windows 11 bootable drive. I will remove my pen drive. Then I will again plug it. By this logo, by this icon, you can see Windows 11 bootable file USB create. It is bootable file. You can use it directly by clicking setup file. After creating bootable USB drive, you can see all the bootable files in this USB drive. Now you can use it any hardware, laptop, desktop computer for your bootable Windows installation process.